Hey guys, my name is El here at Williams Buick GMC, and today is How To Tuesday, where every Tuesday we show you a cool thing on how to do it on every single vehicle that we have here. Today we'll be using this 2021 GMC Yukon SLT to teach you how to connect your phone to the Bluetooth on this Yukon. Come with me. So for this tutorial, you're going to need two things. A vehicle, of course, if you have an Android device, any type of mobile device that has Bluetooth, you'll be able to connect it to the vehicle. And today, I'll be using my iPhone for it. So first things first, you're going to go here to your infotainment system, to the home screen, and you're going to click on phone. So no phone connected, so we're going to go ahead and connect ours. I have mine's already on Bluetooth here on my phone. We're going to click connect phone here on the screen, and you'll have the screen pop up here. So in the left corner, click add phone, and it pops up. We're going to look for my GMC. So I'm going here to my phone, I see my GMC, click here, and then we're going to get a 6-digit code. Make sure that they both are the same. They are. Click pair on my phone, click pair on the screen, and now it gives me a message. Would allow my contacts and favorites to synchronize. I am going to go ahead and allow that. So all my contacts, my recent calls, my messages will download here. Now, these new vehicles do come equipped with wireless Apple CarPlay and wireless Apple Auto. This Yukon has that, so here I get a message if I'm allowing consent to use Apple CarPlay with my iPhone. I do want that just because it's a lot easier and pretty cool. So I click continue, and while it's downloading, I'll get the same message on my iPhone. If I want to allow the GMC to access CarPlay, I say yes, and now the phone is just checking for messages and downloading everything down here. So as you can see here on the screen, now it looks like I have my actual iPhone on the screen. I have my Apple Maps, my Apple Music, I have my calls here, I have messages, and also certain apps that are compatible with Apple CarPlay on the vehicle, which is really cool. So that is how you connect your phone via Bluetooth to the vehicle. Now, if you don't have an app, an iPhone or an Android, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto won't be compatible, but you will be able to still have your calls and music through the system in your vehicle. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me. My name is El here at Williams Buick GMC, and I'm more than happy to help you guys out. This has been How To Tuesday with me, El. You guys have a great day, and thank you for watching.